كتير تعلمنا أشياء عن جد نقدر نطبقها بحياتنا العلمية والعملية وحياتنا الشخصية يعني. شكرا كتير مستر دون.
I will implement these things in my organization and in my personal life. Being honest, I can give this effort what I have learned from this training. It's completely awesome.
And the training was far exceeded from my expectations. And I learned the main thing from this training is I have unlimited potential.
Hi everyone. Hi, how are you? So these are my beautiful, wonderful participants from the training that we finished in UAE. This is the beautiful Julphar team, and there are actually a lot of team members, but we just picked 4 very interesting people to hear a little bit of feedback. So guys, just your genuine and truthful feedback about the training, whatever happened, whatever you liked or did not like also. So who wants to go first?
Yes, me.
You want to go first? Okay.
Yes, I would like first to thank you, Mr. Don, for the amazing training. Really, I had enjoyed so much in the training 2 days. I learned too much. One of the most things I learned that I have, all the things I learned, I can implement really now in my work and in my real life. Thank you so much again for this amazing 2 days, and we'll see you soon, inshallah.
Thank you, inshallah, absolutely.
Thank you so much, Mr. Don, for the amazing training. Really, we learned much from this training and we enjoyed much, and we can implement the learnings which we learned from this training in our professional life as well as in our personal life.
Thank you so much.
First of all, thank you, Mr. Don, for the wonderful training. It was a very learning sessions for both of the days. And the training was far exceeded from my expectations. And I learned the main thing from this training is I have unlimited potential. So I can do anything in my life if I transform my belief from unlimited to
from limiting to empowering belief. Yeah.
From limiting to empowering belief.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hello, I would like to thank you, Mr. Don, for the wonderful training. And I have learned a lot of things from this training, and I will implement these things in my organization and in my personal life. Being honest, I can give this effort what I have learned from this training. It's completely awesome. And it gives to see the world in a different way. So really, I'm from bottom of my heart, and I would like to thank Mr. Don for this beautiful training.
Thank you. I can see that I bribed you, paid you well, to say all good things, right? Can I make a request? Would you say something in your own language, because it's so beautiful when you guys speak? Just a few words about the feedback.
عن جد كتير انبسطنا بهدول اليومين. كتير انبسطنا بهدول اليومين اليوم ومبارح. كتير تعلمنا أشياء عن جد نقدر نطبقها بحياتنا العلمية والعملية وحياتنا الشخصية يعني. شكرا كتير مستر دون. إن شاء الله هيك يعني نشوفك تاني مرة بتدريبات تانية يعني.
So thank you. 2 words I understood. One is shukran and the other is Mr. Don.
Yes.
Would you like to add something? No? Okay. Thanks, guys. Thank you guys. Thank you. See you. Take care. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, doctor.
Thank you. Thanks, man. Thank you.